where we get your heart beating. The power of BRP-Rotax puts your heart in the fast lane. Want to know how? With total passion. And with the goal of developing future-focused innovations. Our R&D creates more than tomorrow's powertrains. They also set the rhythm for every future heartbeat. But this is where it gets exciting, because here everything is top secret. At BRP-Rotax, we love a challenge, which we accept without compromise. Our mission? To use our innovative solutions to shape the future of powersports. We take great pride in what we do. We manufacture high-quality powertrains that go beyond what was previously technically achievable worldwide. Our engine fabrication team operates at the very highest level of expertise. And because we use the latest technology and first-class manufacturing systems, we are able to guarantee the amazing quality produced by BRP-Rotax. We are focused on the future. BRP-Rotax is driving forward the electrification of powersports vehicles and is already delivering environmentally friendly mobility for tomorrow. What makes BRP-Rotax so special? Our success is based on our excellent employees with Rotax Drive. At the Rotax Academy, we offer first-class training and further education so that they are always fully up to speed. Even apprenticeship training at BRP-Rotax is at top speed into the future. Here, we train tomorrow's specialists in an innovative environment. Our future-focused training paves the way for visionary mobility solutions for tomorrow. With our innovative powertrains, we get your heart beating every day. What's next, BRP-Rotax?
We get your heart beating.